National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Atascosa County until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Charlotte, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged
What? It's
or
a tornado
destroyed.
warning.
Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Charlotte around 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Davis, Dobrovolsky, and Amphion. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
See, that's west of here, right?
The current time is 4:16 p.m. Central.
South or west?
No, yeah, that's south of here.